This Lego set is the Elf Clubhouse. So my wife collects a bunch of Christmas Lego sets, and this is a perfect addition to her Lego set. She used this last Christmas, and it kind of blended well with her Christmas village. And what thing nice about this are, look, there are Christmas lights, and you got an elf there looking at the star. It has 1,197 pieces. So if you are kind of like 18 plus and older and you have experience building this Lego set, this is a great set for you. Made by Lego, very dependable. It has very nice plastic pieces, just like in any Lego set. You will surely love this.